Okay, so today we're going deep on Bambu Lab.
Bambu Lab, yeah.
They're a 3D printing company we've been hearing a lot about lately. And
Yeah, they're making some waves for sure.
so we thought we'd take a look at their website, see what they're all about.
Yeah, good idea.
Like imagine you're kind of curious about 3D printing, right?
Right?
Thinking about maybe dipping your toes in. What do you need to know about Bambu Lab?
Exactly.
So first thing that jumps out at me is they're not just selling printers, right?
Yeah.
It's like this whole ecosystem. They call it the Bamboo ecosystem.
Yeah, whole suite of stuff.
Printers, filaments, accessories, software, even the community they call Maker World.
It's a one-stop shop.
Yeah. Is that common in the 3D printing world?
Not unheard of.
Yeah.
I mean, you see some companies trying to offer a bit of everything,
Right.
but the way Bambu Lab's doing it, I think's pretty smart. It's like they're trying to remove any excuse for not getting started.
Yeah, like they really want to make it easy.
Exactly. Make it accessible.
Which is cool. Like they've got these sections called like Fresh Start and a filament selection guide and even a whole course on 3D printing basics.
Yeah, that's the one that caught my eye. Learn 3D printing basics from zero to hero.
From zero to hero.
They're not just throwing you in the deep end,
Wow.
you know, they're actually like walking you through it.
So, I mean, if you're brand new to this,
Yeah.
that's got to be appealing.
Definitely.
One thing I noticed, though, they talk about using FF technology.
Oh, yeah. Fused filament fabrication.
Right, fused filament fabrication.
Mm.
How does that stack up against, like, other 3D printing methods?
Right. So FFF, that's the most common type you see in like home 3D printing.
Okay.
It's known for being relatively affordable and user-friendly. It may not be as precise or as fast as some of the industrial methods like SLA or SLS.
Right.
But from what I'm seeing, Bambu Lab, they seem to be pushing the boundaries of FFF technology,
Interesting.
especially with speed. They're really focused on speed.
Okay. And it's not just for making, like, little trinkets, right?
No, not...
They've got this inspirations section on their website with all sorts of examples.
Yeah, it's pretty diverse.
Hobby and DIY, of course,
Yes.
but also, like, everyday 3D printing education, even art and fashion.
I think that reflects where 3D printing is headed, you know?
Yeah.
It's becoming more than just a hobbyist tool.
Right.
We're seeing it used in prototyping, custom manufacturing, even personalized medical devices.
Wow.
So Bambu Lab, they seem to be tapping into that broader trend.
Okay, but now I got to ask about this Maker World thing.
Yeah, Maker World.
They say free premium models at your fingertips.
Sounds enticing.
It does, but what does that even mean?
Well, it sounds like it's a platform for sharing and accessing 3D model designs.
Okay.
And the premium part, I'm guessing that means higher quality models, you know,
Yeah.
professionally designed stuff.
So not just like the basic shapes and stuff.
Right, exactly.
That's pretty cool, especially for beginners.
Yeah, if you don't have the design skills yet, you can just grab a pre-made model and print it.
Right, and I imagine that could be a huge time saver for experienced users too.
Absolutely.
But this Maker World, it sounds like it could be more than just a library, right?
Oh, yeah, dang
Like
it.
maybe users can share their own designs,
Exactly.
give each other feedback, even collaborate on projects.
It has the potential to be a real game changer. You know,
Yeah.
fostering creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing design.
So is this something unique to Bambu Lab, though?
Well, there are other platforms out there for sharing 3D models.
Right.
But the way Bambu Lab is integrating it into their ecosystem
Yeah.
with this free access to premium models, that
Right.
could be a huge advantage. It keeps users engaged, you know?
Keeps them coming back.
Exactly. And that's how you build a thriving community.
So it seems like Bambu Lab is really trying to make 3D printing more accessible,
Absolutely.
more versatile.
Yeah.
They're offering everything you need, from the printers to the filaments, the software, the support,
And the
the community, and this whole Maker World thing. It's like hinting at a potential creator economy,
yeah, it's an interesting development.
right? Like
Yeah.
what if people start designing and selling their own 3D models
Right.
within the Bambu Lab ecosystem?
That's a big question.
It is, and it kind of leads to a bigger question for our listeners.
Exactly.
With this drive towards accessibility and the potential of Maker World,
Yeah.
how do you think this is going to shape the future of 3D printing? Will we see a shift from like mass production to personalized creation,
It's possible.
right? And what impact could that have on industries like manufacturing design,
Even our everyday lives.
even our everyday lives? That's something to think about
Definitely something to ponder.
as you explore the world of 3D printing.
That's right.
And that's it for our deep dive on Bambu Lab.
Thanks for joining us.
Until next time,
See you.
bye.
Bye, Ken.